What is this? Hi campers, Cody here from Pete's RV Center, currently sitting in a 2025 J-Flight SLX 260 BHS, coming to you with some really exciting news. We are officially starting our annual Give the Gift of Camping here at Pete's RV Center. It's going to run from now until December 21st. There's so many things included in this gift. First of all, we've picked 3 of our top selling floor plans, all from the Jayco lineup: the J-Flight SLX 175BH, the 210QB, and the 260BH that we're sitting in right now. All of those units have been put on special. If you come down to Pete's RV Center at any time before December 21st and you purchase one of these units, you'll be included in the Give the Gift of Camping, which includes the following: no payments for 90 days for qualified buyers, no money down on the financing. For anybody that buys one of these models, we're going to include a free starter kit from our parts department, along with great deals all year round with Pete's RV Center. We even have some financing specials going on right now, so please ask for details on that. Make an appointment, come on down. We'd love to have you for the Give the Gift of Camping. We'll be running it until December 21st or until all the gifts are gone. We can't wait to see you. Happy holidays.